Welcome to the 40 Love V2 training on how best to use the built-in wizard to create the Knockout Championship draw for your club tournament.
The 40 Love wizard setting a championship draw live. In this video, we're focusing on setting a championship draw live. Let's begin by selecting a championship draw that's currently in registration mode. Open it using the pencil icon and navigate to the player setup section. We've got a nice even number of players, divisible by 8, so this should create the perfect draw. Pop them all over to the leaderboards with the transfer button. Before we launch the wizard, we have the option to set seedings for players now or during the wizard setup. Let's do both. I'll seed a few players now and we'll add more inside the wizard. To add a seeding to a player, simply click in the seeding field next to their name and type a number. Let's do this for 4 players. These seeded players will move to the top of the list. Now let's launch the wizard. Under the Functions drop-down menu, choose Set the Championship Live. The wizard opens. As always, every pop-up warning is there for a reason. Read them carefully. They help ensure you're on the right track. Inside the wizard, you'll see clear instructions explaining the steps for setting the draw live and how to get help if needed. Let's get started. Click the Start button. Seeding players. Just like before, make sure that all players you want seeded have a number in the seeding field next to their name. If not, they'll be randomly placed in the draw bracket. We've already seeded 4 players, so let's add 4 more. Again, all you need to do is enter a number in the seeding field next to their name. You'll also notice each player's skill level in brackets after their name. This is based on the sport being played. If you're unsure where a player should be seeded, click their name to open their full match history. This is super helpful for fair positioning. Once you're happy with the seedings, click through to Final Checks. Here you can make any last-minute changes before going live. Start and end dates, number of sets, weighted value, and any other key settings. All good. Great, let's move on and create the draw. As the draw is created, all the first round matches will also be set up and assigned to the appropriate players. They'll be able to enter their scores once their matches are complete. When that's finished, your final step is to inform your players that the draw is live. Click the email button to load the message editor. Alternatively, you can close the window and go directly to view the draw layout. Click the Functions menu and choose Player Draw. You will notice all the seeded players will be in a position that does not allow them to meet until the desired part of the draw. Number 1 seed cannot play the number 2 seed until the final. A quick word on resetting the draw. It is possible to reset the draw if it's not what you expected, but we don't recommend it. Random means random, and it's best to stick with the draw that's been created. If you do choose to reset, you'll need to run the entire process again from the wizard. One final thing. Before you go, don't forget to check the rules. Click the Rules button and make sure everything shown matches your club's playing format and expectations.